Points for attention in the use of on-site water quality of industrial low-temperature chillers. 1. Correct water treatment. First, in order to use industrial low-temperature chillers economically and effectively, it is recommended to ask water treatment experts to analyze the water quality of the evaporator and condenser. Poor water quality will cause fouling and affect heat transfer, or produce corrosion deposits, breed organic matter, and affect the unit's performance. Increase operation and maintenance costs. Please install a filter at the entrance of the water pipe and clean it regularly. Second, generally speaking, correct water treatment and regular cleaning of the tube bundle can maintain its good performance. If the existing water quality conditions cannot be improved by appropriate methods, then it is necessary to consider allowing the tube bundle to have a larger fouling coefficient or specify specialized structural materials. 2. Water flow control. First, for ordinary applications, the water flow speed through the evaporator and condenser is allowed to be between 1-3.6 m/s. Second, under any load conditions, the water flow should remain stable, and the water in the evaporator should be prevented from being drained when the pump is stopped. In order to reduce noise and vibration isolators can be installed on the pipes of industrial cryogenic chillers. Hanging rails and beams can be erected above the equipment to facilitate maintenance. Pressure gauges and stop valves with plugs can be installed on the inlet and outlet pipes of cooling water and chilled water, as close as possible to industrial low-temperature chillers.